Sasa? Nataka ile ya 3. Oh. You're going to see me with this.
Kuna message nyingine itakuletea kukusalimia.
Nataka ile ya 3. Kuna ya 3? Oh, unauza aje? Nikutumia aje? Oh. You're going to see me with this data for years, almost every day. Guys, welcome to the channel. It's a vlog, so I don't know where it has reached, but yes guys, I'm so excited. You guys can see me. I'm looking so good with my, yeah. So I'm from not sending, but I went to give a bestie of mine who bought something, had the cover and some stuff. So I personally took them to her because she doesn't live far away from where I do, which is so good because she's not going to use money, to receive a package. So coming back, I have gotten myself this heater. This is actually this has served me for the longest. As much as I'm saying that, I don't want to make it anymore, it has really done an amazing work for years, since I was in uni. Imagine, first year, so many years ago. Then so I have decided to get this. I remember Doreen. Hi Doreen. She told me I should get ram toms. Let me tell you guys, here I went there. The price was not according to my budget because I also do not want to overspend. Na sina pesa. Please watch the ads, guys. Yeah, so I got this. It's a 1.8 liters. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. I hope it's also going to serve me as I want it, but again, I just want to have a shower. So hii ni mbaya, hii yenye ufungue hapa. Ndio ingine ulikuwa unafungua. Anyway. Yeah, so this is what it has, the base. Now this is how it looks. Yeah, nilitestiwa by the way nikiwa huko. Sometimes hizi vitu unatestiwanga and then you come use them, after 2 days they get spoiled, but I really hope God please protect this one so that it doesn't spoil before I get more money to get what I want. Yeah, okay, this is how it looks from inside. I'm tired using my gas inaisha, guys, and I have decided to get this urgently. But you guys know that white is my color, so we went with white. Thanks so much, Beasties, for supporting me. I remember the other vlog I said, or I showed you the duvet covers that were available, and you guys have really come through for me. Imagine zimeisha, like imebaki tu moja. The one remaining is a 7x6 pillowcases. Yeah, so in case you want them, DM me. I sell it at 1,000 shillings. Imagine, you will not get that anywhere. I'm so proud of myself, and thank you so much once again. I can't wait to bring more stuff. Just keep it here.
Asante sana. Kuna message nyingine itakuletea ikikusalimia. Nimeleta.
Haijanipea salamu.
Kwa namba yako.
Oh. Hi guys, good morning. It's another day and today I'm feeling so sad. Feeling so sad for the first time in my life. Yes, I have been selling duvet covers and this is the first encounter that I'm having with a customer, very rough customer. And let me tell you, sometimes your instincts, there's a way they tell you something, but again, if you ignore them, you'll realize something later. So I have a customer, guys. If I have sold you a duvet cover, it means that I have measured the size and then I have shared. What I've shared is what I've measured. So if you buy a duvet cover and you find that it's not fitting your bed, you talk to me nicely. You just tell me, I got it, it's okay, but it's not fitting. You see, there's a way you communicate. Like, I just feel so bad right now. And I have this customer who purchased the duvet covers. She said that they are not fitting, and I don't appreciate how she has talked to me, and I'm not going to allow that get into me. So what I'll do, of course, I had an option of, getting her another duvet, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to refund her money. And this here is her money. This is her money. It's actually 1,400. I'm going to refund that right now. I'm just hoping that this is the last time I'm having such a customer. I have been having good customers giving me good reviews and everything. I know sometimes, yes, it may not fit. And what you guys don't understand is that when your duvet is a 6x6, you should get a bigger duvet cover, because duvets are always bigger, okay, than the duvet cover. I always say that, but I feel really so bad. It all started good, but I'm feeling so bad about it. I just hope that this is not going to repeat itself and that I'm not going to get such customers in the future. Yeah, so for now, let me go deposit that money and send it direct to her. At least let's know how to say something so that it does not hurt another person. You see, actually, this is the only bad review I have received. This is the only bad one. Since I started, months. This is the saddest. Like, how you say something really, really matters. And don't bring your frustrations to another person. Just try as much as possible to avoid that.